Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Maximus Aranha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you an ectomorph who wants to gain more lean muscular mass and add more calorific value to his or her high calorie diet? Well, you've come to the right place. Today I'll be showing you my mass gainer shake recipe, which is loaded with 2100 calories. If that's what you came for, let's dive right into it. We'll need a blender, 1 shovel of serious mass by Optimum Nutrition, 1 glass water, 1 glass milk, 1 cup oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 banana, 1 ounce of almonds, and a shaker. Now simply blend all the ingredients nicely and then pour it all in the shaker and consume this monster. It is delicious. Here is the nutritional breakdown. Mass gainer 1263 calories, 50 grams protein, 254 grams carbohydrates, 3 grams fat. Peanut butter 190 calories, 8 grams protein, 6 grams carb, 10 grams fat. Honey 64 calories, 0.1 gram protein, 17 grams carbohydrates, 0 grams fat. Milk 150 calories, 8 grams protein, 12 grams carbohydrates, 2.4 grams fat. Banana 105 calories, 1.1 gram protein, 23 grams carb, 0.3 grams fat. Oatmeal 108 calories, 4.7 grams protein, 27.4 grams carb, and 3.8 grams fat. Lastly, almonds 167 calories, 6 grams protein, 6 grams carbohydrates, 14 grams fat. And total of the mass gainer shake is 2047 calories, 78 grams protein, 347.4 grams carbohydrates, 33.5 grams fat. So that's it. Remember, this shake is just a boost to your daily calorific intake. It is not a meal. Continue your daily high calorie diet and consume the shake to boost and speed up your gains organically. And yes, this shake contains 1 gram of creatine monohydrate, so it is advisable for teens to consume it once a day after an intense workout. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button down below and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below what's your daily calorie intake. And yes, follow me on Instagram, it's Maximus_Aranha. We are a family of 1,000 people there, so it would mean the world to me if you would become a part of it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.